In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Dropbox folders with others. We'll cover the web experience first, then the desktop app so you can use whichever is most convenient. Start by going to dropbox.com and logging into your account. And once you're in, look at the left panel and open the Folders tab. This view shows everything you've stored and organized. Click to select the folder you want to share. Next, find the settings icon beside that folder, often shown as a gear or three dots, and click it. Choose Share, then select Share with Dropbox to bring up your sharing options. You'll see three ways to share. The first is by adding people. This is great when you want to collaborate directly with specific individuals. You enter their email addresses so they receive access through their Dropbox, and it's easy to manage who's in or out later if your team changes. The second option is copying the link. This is the quickest way to get someone access without sending an invite through Dropbox. You simply copy the link and paste it into a message or chat. It's ideal for fast one-off shares. The third option is transfer a copy. Use this when you want to send a fixed copy of the folder's contents without giving ongoing access to the original folder. It's helpful for handing off final files or archiving a snapshot in time. Choose the option that best fits your needs. If you're collaborating, adding people keeps things organized. If you're moving quickly, copying a link is simple. If you're handing off files, transfer a copy keeps your original untouched. Now let's look at the desktop app method. Open File Explorer on your computer. On the left panel, locate the Dropbox section. Navigate to the folder you want to share and select it. Right-click the folder to bring up the Dropbox menu. From here, you can add an email and share your folder directly, which works similarly to adding people on the web. Or you can click Create and Copy Link to generate a shareable link that you can send through any communication tool you prefer. Both methods give you the same sharing power. The desktop route just lets you stay in your normal file browsing flow. Pick whichever approach matches how you like to work. That's it. Now you know how to share Dropbox folders with others from the website or the desktop app. Thanks for watching.